Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we have a very important update on Alpine. I was right about the price action being unstable and warning everyone about the danger zone, but I have to be completely honest. The short-term price action was very tricky, and even I got stopped out on this one before the massive move. Look at the charts now. Alpine is down an insane minus 95%. This confirms what I said about huge price manipulation being at play. For those who don't know, Alpine is the Formula One fan token for the Alpine racing team, and this kind of sudden massive dump highlights the extreme risks of holding speculative low utility assets, especially after they've had a strong pump. We saw the rising wedge, we warned about the top, and the volatility was so severe that it triggered massive liquidations. This is a brutal reminder to always manage your risk, use stops, and never chase parabolic moves. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.